Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Paul Academy. Today we discuss regarding journal. We'll practice some journal entries. Come to format. Here, this is our journal format overall. Top of the journal format, we'll write in the bookshop. Then journal, this is date column, this is particulars column, this is LF, yani that is ledger folio column. Amount rupiah, and above the amount rupiah first column we'll write debit. Insert capital D smaller dot. Next column amount rupiah again. Above the column we'll write credit. Capital C smaller dot. Okay. Take an example. First entry. Journalize the following transaction on 1st April 2023. A merchant started business with capital of rupees 50,000. A merchant started business with capital of 50,000. When we pass any kind of journal, always we think from business point of view. Remember that you are the accountant of business. You are the accountant of business. So here owners invested 50,000 rupees. Owners invested 50,000 rupees. So as a business point of view, cash comes in. Cash is an example of real account, and whatever invested by owner always it takes as a capital. Capital is an example of personal account. Capital here is a giver. For that reason, capital account will be credited. Here, 1st April 2023, cash account debit 50,000 to capital account 50,000. Narration, being business started with cash. Okay. Narration that denoted why we pass this entry. We just mention in short. That is we call narration. Come to next entry. On 2nd April, bought goods for cash rupees 2,500. That denoted we purchase goods, that is business item, whatever our business, goods for rupees 2,500. If we buy any goods, whatever our main business, then purchase first account and another account is cash. Purchase is an example of nominal account. Purchase is an example of nominal account. If we buy something, then these are expenses. In case of nominal account, our expenses always debited. For that reason, purchase account debit to whatever pay in terms of money that is cash is an example of real account. Here we purchase, that is we pay something amount of money. For that reason, cash will be goes out, so cash account will be credited. So purchase account debit 2,500 to cash account 2,500. Narration, being goods purchase. Okay, come to next entry. On 4th April, bought furniture worth rupees 1,700. If we buy anything asset, if we buy any assets not our goods, then we debited that assets, just like furniture, machinery, whatever, any kind of. In our question, furniture we buy, so furniture account will be debited. When we buy a furniture, whatever we pay, that is our cash. Cash is an example of real account. If we buy furniture, then cash will be pay. If cash pay, then cash will be goes out. So in case of real account, if anything goes out, then this account will be credited. For that reason, furniture account debit on 4th April to cash account 1,700 debit as well as credit, being furniture purchase. Okay, come to next entry. On 6th April, cash sales 1,500. If we sell anything on cash, basically anything that denoted goods, if we sell any goods on cash, then cash will becomes in. Cash is an example of real account. If comes in, then cash account will be debited. 2. Whatever we do, sales is an example of nominal account. If we sell something, then we earn something amount of money. Sales always income. For that reason, as per golden rule of accounting, in case of nominal account, income or profit always credited. For that reason, sales will be credited. Basically, cash account debit 1500 to sales account 1500. Narration being cash sales. Okay, comes to next entry. On 8th April, goods sold to Bubai stores 2500. Here we sell something, that is we sell Bubai stores our goods. One thing remember that if within entry or within transaction mention party name but cash this terminology is absent, then remember that this transaction happening on credit. Remember that in case of buy, in case of sales, if party name mention but cash this terminology is absent, then remember that this entry passed on credit. But party name mention, cash also mentioned, then we assume that this transaction on cash because cash is mentioned. But why we mention party name in the transaction? Because if we transact anything on credit, then we'll pay or we'll receive money from certain person. For remembering purposes, we mention party name. Okay, in our entry we sold something to Bubai stores. Here cash this terminology is absent, so we assume that this transaction happened on credit. We sell to Bubai. Bubai is an example of personal account. Here Bubai is a receiver because we sell to Bubai. Bubai here is a receiver. Receiver always debited in personal account. For that reason, Bubai account debit 2500. 2. We sell here. Sell is an example of nominal account. If we sell something, that is our earning, that is our income. For that reason, sales account will be credited. Narration being goods sold to Bubai. We sell to whom? Bubai. For that reason, within narration we also mention. Okay, 2500 debit as well as credit. Come to next entry. On 15th April, purchase goods from Bapi traders. Here we buy something from Bapi traders. So here we purchase. Purchase is an example of nominal account. If we buy, then purchase account will be debited. If we buy, then purchase account will be debited because this is our expenses. For that reason, purchase account will be debited 1700 as well as we buy from whom? We buy from Bapi traders. Bapi traders is an example of personal account. If we buy from Bapi traders, then Bapi traders is a giver. Here we know that as per personal account rule, giver always credited. For that reason, purchase account debit 1700 to Bapi traders 1700. Narration being goods purchased from Bapi traders. Okay. If anyone have any doubt, any queries, please comment below the video, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for the watching.